SC/STs, but the all oppressed classes, mainly the women and all. That is one of the things. And as Labour Minister, and now I am the current Labour Minister here, so I have to speak that today's minimum wages, the fixed hours of 8 hours, all these were introduced by Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar when he was the Minister for Labour and Labour in those days. And as Aruna Dasri rightly mentioned, that women's Hindu code bill, in those days, he was such a visionary that he felt the woman power should be recognized. Women should have a strong place in society. ఆ సొసైటీలో ప్లేస్ ఉన్నప్పుడే ఆ డెవలప్డ్ కంట్రీ అంటారని చెప్పి ఆ రోజుల్లోనే ఉమెన్కి స్థాయి కల్పించాలని చెప్పి ఆయన బిల్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆ రోజులలో నోబడి యాక్సెప్టెడ్ దట్ ఉమెన్ షుడ్ ఆల్సో కమ్ ఫార్వర్డ్. అండ్ టుడే వీఆర్ సీయింగ్ హౌ the central government is also making an attempt to get women reservations. And all parties have agreed, so it will definitely come. Congress, when I was a member of parliament, actually that was the first time the women reservation bill was introduced in parliament in those days. Unfortunately, it didn't go through. Let's hope that it comes. And there are more women in parliament, they should be. Well, my wife is also a very strong votary of women empowerment, so I keep going through this regularly at home. It's a very good sign actually, because my wife also was initially just a housewife, and then I gave her the opportunity of running. My father started Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Educational Institution. We have 6,000 students, and she has been able to transform that place. Actually, today we are getting state ranks, and she has started a scholarship of anybody gets 80%, their education is free for the next year. So that way she was, because a lot of people who are from auto driver children, housewife children, they all study in our institution. So she is given that opportunity. Now please come up. And she has definitely propagated the philosophy of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on why education is very important. Because so many people are able to pass out, and she is giving soft skills training to them so that they get employed easily after passing from the institution. Most of the places we have seen soft skills are not there for these sections of people. So we have tried to inculcate a good culture to see how you need to compete. This is what Dr. Ambedkar actually taught us. You have to compete in the worst circumstances. When you compete only, you will be able to get your full potential. Because every person has that potential that needs to come out. And I have seen most of the time, ఎప్పుడు కూడా మనము అరే డిస్క్రిమినేషన్ అవుతుంది అని మనం స్లో డౌన్ అయిపోతాం. కావద్దు, దాన్ని ఇంకా కొట్లాడాలి. మా నాన్నగారు కాకా వెంకట స్వామి గారు వాజ్ అ ఫైటర్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ఐ హ్యావ్ లెర్న్డ్ సో మెనీ థింగ్స్ ఫ్రమ్ హిమ్, అండ్ he has been an inspiration for